Hey, Miguel Martinez Juarez here. Today I want to talk about a tool that will help you visualize, okay? And it's going to help you with the five senses, okay? You want to you want to feel the five senses in your visualization. When you close your eyes and you visualize your vision, right? You visualize your vision. um, you want to make sure you have the five senses. You feel the five senses, okay? And you ask yourself, how do I feel now that this wish is fulfilled? Excuse me. You want to have that feeling, okay, of the wish fulfilled, because that's what's going to help you manifest. That's what's going to get you the manifestation. There's no feeling, there's no power, and you'll never become it. Okay, so you gotta start feeling and acting like that person now, behaving like that person. I like saying behaving because it even has the word be in it. Okay. Okay. Now, I think I'm hearing the neighbors' TV. They didn't have it on, but it's okay. Look, this is the formula, okay? And I want to repeat myself again. Feel the the senses in your visualization. It's gonna be that much more clear in your mind's eye, in your imagination. And ask yourself, how do you feel now that the wish fulfilled? Okay, so it's 2T, 2S, and 2H. 2T. Okay, write this down. Taste and touch. 2S is the smell and sight. 2H is the hear and how do I feel now that the wish is fulfilled. Okay, so it's important to have the H, the 2H at the end, because you want to make sure you feel you see everything, touch it, feel it, hear it, smell it, whatever. And then ask yourself, how do you feel now that the wish is fulfilled? Okay. I said whatever because I don't know if I had all the five senses in there. Well, that's why the five senses are important, because they help you create, in your imagination. Okay. And we all just want to feel good. Remember, good feelings, high vibration. Bad feelings, low vibration. Negative feelings, low vibration. Okay. Now, who you really are is your awareness. You are awareness. Okay. Okay. And that's what the Bible is really pretty much about. It's about knowing that the earth vibration, the physical, is not what dictates you. You dictate you, okay? Using your awareness and using your mind, using your imagination and your intellectual faculties to start creating, okay, what you want. Again, this formula, 2T, 2S, and 2H. I asked this morning, what should I write about? And this came into my mind, okay? A tool that's going to help you manifest. And you manifest what you see within and what you feel. As a man thinketh, as a person thinketh in his or her heart, so is he or she. Okay? It will always be like that. Remember, you dictate your life. Okay? This may be all you need to know. The Bible is all about stories about this, okay? That your subconscious mind, okay, your heart, is what creates the physical reality. Okay? And the only thing that's real is your awareness. Okay? I am. I hope you like this one. Remember, apply. You will watch this over and over again. But if you don't apply it, you don't start visualizing, start feeling your wish fulfilled, seeing your vision, casting your vision, you're not going to get it. Apply it, okay? All right. Until next time, to your success.